Welcome to our demo video. Today we're going to show you how to use DxEnterprise to create a highly available, cross-platform, 3-node SQL Server availability group between an on-premises site, Azure, and AWS. And we'll do all of this securely and discreetly without exposing any open ports or using a VPN. Here's a diagram of our 3-node SQL availability group. ORWin2 will be our primary replica and reside on-premises in our Oregon data center. The other two secondary replicas will reside in Azure and AWS. DxEnterprise will automatically manage the creation of the availability group as well as the secure encrypted networking between the nodes. You'll notice that this environment includes both Windows and Linux machines. Okay, let's take a look at the ORWin2 machine that will be our primary for the AG. We've already installed DxEnterprise, so to manage and configure the availability group, we will launch the DxEnterprise Management UI, DxAdmin, on this machine. We'll connect to the cluster using a user-defined passkey we set up previously. From here, we can see the information for all 3 nodes we have joined together previously. Our AWS node running Windows Server 2016, the Azure node running Ubuntu 18, and the on-premises node also running Windows Server 2016. Next, we're going to add what's called a virtual host, or vhost. This is the entity under which we will associate our availability group. First, we enter a logical name for the vhost and the cluster IP address for it. Since there isn't an IP that can be bound to all 3 sites, we want a vhost with no IP address. So we're entering an asterisk followed by the local loopback address. Next, we select the nodes we want to participate in our vhost and designate which nodes to be the primary and secondary replicas. Our ORWin2 is the primary here, with the cloud nodes as secondaries. With our vhost configured, it's time to create our availability group by right-clicking on the vhost and choosing Add an Availability Group. Here we give our availability group a name, and then check the tunnel checkbox. This instructs the system to create secure, encrypted tunnels between the nodes for the availability group. Then we select and authenticate to the instance on each node that we want to participate in the availability group. We also have the option to choose the availability mode for each replica. After clicking OK, we have a summary of the AG that we are about to create. Clicking OK confirms the availability group creation. You'll see on the left side that the AG is being created, and the encrypted network tunnels are also automatically created on your behalf. Then, by right-clicking the newly created availability group, we can manage the databases associated with the availability group. Here we're selecting the DemoDB database and joining it to the availability group. Now, we're going to take a look at the inbound networking settings for our cloud nodes. For the Azure Ubuntu 1 machine, we can see that there are no open ports for SQL Server connections whatsoever on this machine. Similarly, if we take a look at the inbound settings for the AWS Win2 machine, we see the same. As you've seen in this video, creating a cross-platform, cross-cloud availability group with secure and discrete tunnels between them with DxEnterprise is as simple as a few clicks. For a free 30-day trial of DxEnterprise, visit dh2i.com/trial, or for a deeper, more personalized demo, visit dh2i.com/demo. Thank you for watching this demo video, and we hope to hear from you soon.